Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see a 12th max sum, that is 6 12 20 20. Already we are doing before exercise 2.8 example sum is over. Now we are going to do this exercise 2.8. In this one, what the first question is that you can see here. It's very interesting. If omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, show that a plus b omega plus c square c omega square divided by b plus c omega plus a omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square value is equal to what is that? -1. This we need to prove. Since it is what given cube root, now we know omega cube equals to 1 thing, and then we know 1 plus omega square equals to what? It's coming 0. This 2 we will take. Okay, I am taking LHS here. What's the LHS here? A plus b omega plus c omega square divided by b plus c omega plus a omega square. This is the thing. Plus here also a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square is that. That is the thing we are having. Okay, so now I am multiplying here omega square and dividing by omega square. Here also multiplying by omega square and dividing by here also omega square I am doing. Shall I do? So if I am doing what it's coming, you check it now. So first thing what I am going to do here, omega, if I multiply a omega square plus b omega cube will become, because omega square into omega is omega cube, then omega square into omega power 4 is c omega power 4 will come. So divided by omega square, let it be as such, b plus c omega plus a omega square is that. Here omega square I am keeping as such, so a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by, here I am multiplying c into now, this is c omega square plus a omega cube, and then this is b omega power 4 will come. So now you can we have to learn one result. We know that omega power 4, how you can write omega cube into omega, correct? Just now you said omega power cube value is 1, so this value is 1 then omega power 4 value we can write it as omega. This is separate result, you keep it in mind. So now this is a omega square plus b omega cube is 1, so leave that one, and omega power 4 now what? C omega will come. So divided by, here it is that omega square b plus c omega plus a omega square will come here. So plus, now you can see this is the same, omega square a plus b omega plus c omega power square will come divided by c omega square as such, omega cube is 1, so that's why a omega power 4 is omega, so therefore b omega will come. Okay, now you look at a omega square, b is there, c omega, so this and this get cancelled, numerator 1, denominator omega square, plus here you can see a, so a is there, b omega, c omega square, so this get cancelled. Now we are having omega square by 1. So now what we are going to do, we have to cross multiply. So 1 ones are 1 plus omega square into omega square, omega power 4 divided by 1 plus omega square will come. Okay, as this is the things it's coming now, omega 4. Now you know that one, this is what the value we are getting. So 1 plus omega will come here, because omega power 4 is omega, and this is what we are getting here, that is 1 plus omega square is what we are getting, omega will minus omega will come, so that you can write it here. Now you can see 1 into 1 omega square into omega 4, omega square into 1 omega square, not plus 1, so omega square will come. So here 1 plus omega power 4 is omega, this is omega square will come. So then, which is, we know here one result we have written, we know 1 plus omega square equal to 0, then 1 plus omega equals to minus omega square we can write here. So this value we are using, so this value will become minus omega square divided by omega square. So omega square get cancelled. Now we are getting minus 1. So that only we need to prove in the question. It's equal to 1, which is equal to RHS we can write. This is the first question of this problem. Okay, only the thing you are multiplying, dividing by omega. Here you multiply, here you keep as such. Here you keep as such, here you multiply. That's the thing. These two results you know now. Easily you can solve this problem. Okay. The next one, second question. It's very easy. Already we have done in the example sums. So here you carefully do it. See it here. What they're saying. Square root of 3 divided by 2 plus I by 2 whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole power 5. Same only here, plus is the minus conjugate, so it's equal to minus root 3. That's the thing we need to prove. Before going to prove, we will convert this into a polar form. So what's that one? I'm taking z equal to root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 will come. So modulus r you want to find now, that is square root of root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square you will do. That is r equals to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So that is root will come. So r equals to root 4 by 4. Answer is r equals to modulus 1. So that's why it's coming 1. Okay, r is 1. Now alpha equals to tan inverse of y by x. That's the thing. Modulus we need to take. That is tan inverse of what will come, mod y is here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will come. So that is 2 to get cancelled. Now we are getting tan inverse of 1 by root 3. When it will come 30 degree. So alpha is pi by 6 will come. So since it belongs to, that is root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 belongs to first q. So alpha then theta both are same. Theta equal to pi by 6. So now we can write z equals to, what's that one? Root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 value is what we are getting, r cos theta plus I sin theta. Here r value is 1, so 1. Here cos theta is cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 will come. So this is the value of z we can take. Okay, so now LHS will take. So similar LHS is what we are getting here. LHS is root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 the whole power 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 the whole power 5 is that. This is the thing is having. Okay, so now what we are, this value is what we are getting, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 will come. The whole power, what is that, 5 plus here conjugate now, here plus instead of plus minus will come. That same thing, cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6 will come. So the whole power 5 will come. Okay, wow. So these things you keep it in mind. So now you just apply the rule, cos goes 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6 will come. So here plus, here also cos 5 pi by 6 minus I sin 5 pi by 6 will come. So now you can see this I plus this is minus get cancelled. So we are getting 2 cos 5 pi by 6 will come. So you know 2 cos 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. Cross multiply 6 into pi 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi. So 2. Whenever cos pi is coming, cos only. Which it lies on which quadrant? Minus second. All silver. Sign alone positive. This is negative. So that's why minus pi by 6 will come. So that you keep it in mind. So 2. What is the cos 30 degree? Minus root 3 by 2. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Now we are getting what? Minus root 3, which is equal to our RHS. Okay, so have you got this one? How you are solving? This much length is that, don't get fed up about this one. You have to do it. It's very simple. Only the thing is, if you know now. So what's the value of tabular column, in which quadrant it lies, these are all the things if you know now, easily you can solve. Okay, so this is your second question. Okay, now let's we go to the third question. What they are saying in the third question, let's we see. So here some interesting things are here. They're asking find the value of is given. Expression is 1 plus sine pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10 divided by 1 plus sine pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10 is that. So now what we are going to do, this I am taking, let z equals to I am taking as sine pi by 10 plus I cos pi by 10. This is the things will come. So now 1 by z value will be this one, sine pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10. This is the result. Okay, mod z value will come 1. You can check it here. There is no issue at all. So that we are not going to think about it here. Plus na conjugate na 1 by z, that you write it. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I will take this LHS that is given 1 plus sine pi by 10 plus, is it visible, I cos pi by 10 divided by what is that, 1 plus sine pi by 10 minus I cos pi by 10. The whole power is that 10 is that, so that you keep it in mind. Now here 1 plus this value is what we are getting, z divided by 1 plus here what's the value, 1 by z we are getting. The entire thing power is 10 is that. So now you cross multiply 1 plus z divided by z plus 1 entire thing divided by z, the whole power 10 is that. Denominator of denominator is coming now, it will goes to numerator. Therefore 1 plus z into z divided by this 1 plus z plus 1 I am writing. So entire thing power 10. So now this get cancelled. Now we are getting z power 10. Okay. So this is the thing it's coming. So now z value, what is the sign that you write it? Sine pi by 10 plus I sine I cos pi by 10, the whole power, what is that, 10 is that. So our formula is cos theta plus I sin theta, right? Cos theta plus I sin theta is that. So I am taking I commonly here. So what will become here now? I am taking on a cos pi by 10 will come here plus sin pi by 10 divided by I will come, the whole power 10 will come, because I commonly multiplied it will come. So I will come this side outside, now I power 10 will come here. Here what will become now, cos pi by 10 will come. I am multiplying by I, dividing by I. So then it will be I into I square. I square value is minus, so that's why minus. This is I sin pi by 10 will come. So the entire thing power is 10. So now apply that this I power 10 can write I power 8 into I square. This you know cos 10 pi by 10 minus I sin 10 into pi by 10. So that's the value. This 10, this 10, this 10, this 10 get cancelled. So we will get, we know I power 4 value is what, 1. So I power 4 value is 1. So the I square value is minus 1. This value is 1. So leave that one. So minus 1 will come. Here cos pi minus I sin pi will come. As you know, cos pi value is what? Minus 1. So minus 1. This is minus 1. This is 0. So leave it off. Minus into minus plus, the answer is 1. So that is the value of this question. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the thing we have to do it here. Next. Okay. Next problem, it's 4 problems are there. Let's see how much I can do, how much you can do. Let me see here. What the question is, if 2 cos alpha equal to x plus 1 by x and 2 cos beta equals to y plus 1 by y, show that then x by y plus y by x equal to 2 cos alpha minus beta. That is the thing we need to prove. The next question is the third and fourth is that. So now what I am going to write in solution means, as you know, 2 cos alpha equals to x plus 1 by x. Cross multiply, so x square plus 1 divided by x equals to what is that? 2 cos alpha. Is that correct? Now you bring this x to this side, so it will become 2 cos alpha x equals to x square plus 1. Bring this to that side. 0 equals to what will come? X square plus x square minus 2 cos alpha x plus 1. As in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, equal to 0. Then what's the root? X equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a formula, right? So we in 10th standard we have studied. So this formula you use it. What is the x value here? It's coming minus b. Minus b is minus 2 not 2 cos alpha plus or minus root of b square. B square is what here? Minus 2 cos alpha the whole square minus 4 a is 1 here, c is 1 here. So 1 into 1 divided by 2a, 2 into 1 will come. So this is the thing it's coming. Okay. So now you can, x value is what will coming? 2 cos alpha plus or minus. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. This is cos square alpha. Here minus 4 will come. So divided by 2 is that. Now you can see x equal to what you are getting? 2 cos alpha plus or minus 4 commonly you take it out now. So minus 4 you take it, then we have one formula. So minus 4 I am taking now 1 minus cos square alpha. So what's the thing? Divided by 2 is that. Okay, so now x value what you are getting? 2 cos alpha plus or minus. Minus if coming outside now I square not 2i. Square root of 4 is 2. Minus is I. 1 minus cos square is square root of sin square alpha. Then divided by 2. So if you are taking square root get cancelled. Now x value is what we are getting? 2 cos alpha plus or minus 2i sin alpha divided by what is that? 2. So here 2, this 2 commonly cancel it. So what we are getting? X value is cos alpha plus I sin alpha you are getting for x value. Okay. So I will take one fresh page. We have so many. So is it clear what I am trying to do? So now you can see here x value you got it as cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Now 2 cos beta question also what? Similarly we can say 2 cos beta since 2 cos beta equals to what is that? Y plus 1 by y. Similarly we can write y equals to what's that value we have written here? Cos alpha. Here it will come cos beta plus I sin beta value will come. So this is the y value. Similarly we have to solve. No need to write separately. This is just we have done workout. Now come to the first question. What's the first one? X by y plus y by x equals to what you need to prove? 2 cos alpha minus beta we need to prove. Okay, this is the thing we need to prove. So first I will do x by y. What's the x value? X value you know that one, cos alpha plus I sin alpha. So here will come cos alpha plus I sin alpha divided by y value cos beta plus I sin beta will come. So this is x by y value. Is it clear? So this is the thing is that. So now you here itself we can adjust. What will be the value of 1 by y here? Cos beta minus I sin beta. We can write it 1 by y. Correct? We know right y 1 by y now this one. Similarly x value. This is now 1 by x value what will come? Cos alpha minus I sin alpha. So in place of that this 2 value you take it. Then it will be easy. So this will become as cos alpha plus I sin alpha into what will come? Cos beta minus I sin beta will come. Cos A plus cos B, cos A plus sin B into sin A plus B. What's the formula you are getting? What's the formula you are getting? Is there any rule here? So you want to write it like this now. This is one way. This is e per I alpha divided by e per I beta For understanding purpose, in this way you can write it. If you don't know formula, this one, you can write this one. So this you can write I power alpha minus I power beta. Is it correct? This we can write it as I commonly alpha minus beta you can take. That is, we are getting cos alpha minus beta plus I sin alpha minus beta, we can write it. This is what? X by y. Okay, similarly y by x. Similarly y by x, what will come? Same thing will come. Cos alpha minus beta minus I sin alpha minus beta will come. You just add this to add it, what will get? X by y plus here what will come? Y by x will come. So you can see plus minus, this cancel not 2 times. So this is 2 times cos alpha minus beta will come. This only we need to prove in the first. X by y plus y by x equal to 2 cos alpha minus beta. We got it, this one. Okay, so if you know the formula, cos a plus cos b into cos a minus cos a plus sin b into this, you know now, you do it, or else you use exponential, it will be easy to you. That is the first question. The second question you can see here. What is the second? It's not visible. Yeah. Second question. Xy minus 1 by xy is 2i sin alpha plus beta. I am writing here question. Second question. Xy plus 1 by xy. Xy plus 1, sorry, minus, not plus, minus 1 by xy equal to 2i sin alpha plus beta is that. This is the thing we need to find it here. So first what I am doing, I am going to write xy. What is the x? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha into what you are doing, cos beta plus I sin beta will come. This is the formula, right? So that is nothing but e power I alpha into e power I beta. That is e power I alpha plus I beta. That is, we can write e power I alpha plus beta, we can write it here. That is, we can say cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta, you can write it here. This is the value of xy. Okay. So now similarly 1 by xy, what will be the value? Same, this conjugate will come. Cos alpha plus beta minus I sin alpha plus beta will come. So this is the thing is coming. Now you can see what we need to do, xy minus 1 by xy. So this you subtracted. So here minus, here it is plus. So here what will come? Xy minus 1 by xy. That equals to, this plus and minus will get cancelled. This is plus plus. So that's why 2 times I sin alpha plus beta will come. Alpha plus beta will come. This is the second proof of this one. Second question, subdivision. Is it clear? So it's easy, right? Only the thing is, this type of calculation you must know. Okay, so this you keep aside. I am keeping aside. Then we have third question. What's the third question? You can see here, x power m, y power n. This is the thing. So third question I am writing here. What's the third question we need to do? Now x power m by y power n minus y power n by x power m. Value is what we are getting, 2i sin m alpha minus n beta. This is the thing we need to prove. Okay, this is the thing we need to prove here. So first I will take x value. What's the x value? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Power m na, x power m na. Then cos alpha plus I sin alpha, the whole power m will be there. M na, that is x power m will become cos m alpha plus I sin m alpha will come. This is the x power m value. Similarly, y power n value is y value is what? Cos beta plus I sin beta. Then y power n value what will come? Cos beta plus I sin beta, the whole power n will come. That is y per n equals to cos n beta plus I sin n beta will come. This is the thing, is this value. Is that clear? Now what I'm doing now, x power m divided by y power n division I'm doing. That is, this you can write e power I m alpha for short. This how you can write e power I n beta we can write. Okay, beta you can write it here. So if you are writing like this, what the answer is coming, let's check. So here e power I m alpha, e power I n beta. So I am writing this one. So here e power I m alpha divided by e power I n beta will come. That we can write it as e power I m alpha minus I n beta we can take. So I is common, so e power I common, m alpha minus n beta will come. So what will be the value for x power m divided by y power n? That is cos m alpha minus n beta plus I sin m alpha minus n beta will come. This is the value of these things. Okay, similarly I am going to take the reverse of this one, y power n by x power n. Reverse now, here it will become conjugate. That is same thing will come, cos m alpha minus n beta minus I sin m alpha minus n beta will come. That is the two value we are getting here. Okay, now in the question what we need to do, we need to subtract it. Subtract now. So this is x power m by y power n minus y power n by x power m. Here will come. Since minus, so this is minus, minus is that is a plus. So cos m alpha, this and this will get cancelled. This is plus, so that's why 2I sin m alpha minus n beta will come. That is the proof of this third question. That only 2I sin m alpha minus n beta. 2I sin m alpha minus n beta will come. Okay, so that you keep it in mind. Okay, is that clear? So third question also similar way, you just do it. I am not trying to do that one. If I do not, the same will come. So 2 by m per, similarly you do it as a homework, this one. Okay, so please do as a homework that problem alone. Okay, so next we will go to the next problem. What's the next problem is saying here means, you can see the question, solve the equation. They are saying, what they are saying, solve the equation z cube equal to 27 is that is the things here they have written. So solution, how it will be means, just see. So solution, what will the z cube equal plus 27 equal to 0 is that. Okay, then z cube equals to minus 27, correct? Then z cube can be written as minus 1 into 27. This we can write minus 1 into 3 cube. Okay, so that is the value of z cube. Then z value what will come? Then z value what will come here? So minus 1 into 3 cube, the whole power 1 by 3 will come. So z will become, this 3 get cancelled, so 3 only. This is minus 1, the power 1 by 3 will come. Now we need to do what is the value for minus 1? Cos pi only is minus 1. So this minus 1, how we can write now? Cos pi plus I sin pi we can write. That is the value, particular value. This is particular value. Which one? Cos pi plus I sin pi is a particular value. Why it's a particular? Because you put cos pi value is minus 1, sin pi is 0, 0 into I is 0. So that's the thing we are writing. So here while you are writing, it should be what? General. So cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi. the whole power 1 by 3 will come. This is rough, don't get confused about this one. Okay, this is 1 by 3. This is the format of writing. Now since by 3 is there, so take it off that one. So 3, this is cos 2k pi plus pi divided by 3 will come, because by 3. So plus I sin what will come? 2k pi plus pi by 3 will come. So this is the thing we are having. Okay. So now since it's a cube root, what are the things you are going to put for k now? 0, 1, 2. These 3 values. Now k equal to 0, then z value what will become? You check it now. K is 0. Z value is 3 into 0. So cos pi by 3 plus I sin what will come? Pi by 3 will come. Because k 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. That's why. So that cos pi by 3, that is 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is what? 1 by cos 60 degree. 1 by root 2. That is the thing. 1 by 2 will come. So this is sin na? Sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2 will come. This is the value it's coming. If you want, you get it, or you can start with this itself, not issue. Then put k equals to 1, then what we are getting? Z equals to 3 into what will come? 1 now. Cos 2 pi plus pi by 3 will come. Plus I sin what will come? Again 1 now, 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 3 will come. That is 3 cos 3 pi by 3 plus I sin 3 pi by 3 will come. So 3 get cancelled now. We are getting pi only. That is the pi value we are getting. So here 3 will come. This is cos pi plus I sin pi will come. Okay. So cos pi value is what we are getting? Minus 1. So that's why it's 3 into minus 1. This is 0. Leave it off. Plus 0. So that answer is minus 3 will come when z. This is second value. You want stop here itself, we can stop, not issue. This is okay. K equal to 1 you have taken. Now put k equals to 2. So z value what will become here? As is 3 here. You can 2 now. 2 to the 4 pi will come. So here cos 4 pi plus pi by 3. I sin 4 pi plus pi by 3 will come. That is, we are getting z equals to 3 cos 5 pi by 3 will come plus I sin what will come? 5 pi by 3 will come. Okay. So 5 pi by 3, you want leave it, or you want solve it. So 2 pi minus pi by 3 will come. That is the thing. Here what will come? So 2 pi minus pi by 3. That is 6. You want, you can solve this one. That is 3 cos 2 pi minus pi by 3 will come. Pi by 3. That is, you simplify it. 6 pi minus 1 is 7. So this is I sin 2 pi minus pi by 3 will come. Since when it's coming 360, 2 pi na same, that same value will come. So this is 3 cos minus pi by 3 plus I sin what will come? Minus pi by 3 will come. That value write it as such. So here 3 cos negative is negative only, positive. So therefore pi by 3 the same, 1 by 2 will come. 1 by 2. Here minus I root 3 by 2 will come. So with this you can stop. That is the z value of third one. Okay, it's visible. Okay, that is the thing we have. So remaining 5 problem is there. Inshallah we'll see in the next class. Please complete it. We'll see soon. Complete homework. Thank you.